Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel. So in this video, we are going to understand the demonstration of language teaching chatbot using Python. So basically, this is AI-based project, which is based on the Python programming language. At the front-end side, we are using HTML and CSS programming to create the UI. Also, at the back-end side, we are using SQL database for storing the different tables and different values that are generated in the project. Now, as far as this project is concerned, it's all about the language teaching chatbot. So it teaches some language, and you can modify this project to teach something, to learn something. For example, if you want to learn physics, then you can modify this to learn in physics. So the beauty of this particular chatbot is that you can ask question in English language, and if you need answer in Hindi, then you can ask the chatbot to answer in Hindi. So he will answer in the Hindi. Or if you want to get answer in Spanish or Japanese or Chinese, then it can translate the answer into that language, and also the audio feedback or the audio answer will be provided by the chatbot. Now, first of all, you can create your account using this. If you forgot your password, then you can fill out this form to get back your password. And if you have already an account, then you can simply log in from that. Now, as I am having the account, I will log in. So after login, you can see this interface. Here the important technologies used in the project, and the structure of the project, the framework used, and the domain of the project is given. So small overview of the project is given over here. Then you can go here and ask the question. For example, I will ask some question, and then I will try to get the answer in some language. For example, I will ask the question by clicking this button. Use Hindi language to answer the question, what is noun?
नाउन एक शब्द है जिसे वस्तु, स्थान, व्यक्ति अथवा भाव के नाम या वर्णन के लिए प्रयोग किया जाता है।
Use Marathi language to answer the question, what is noun? Okay, so this way it is answering in different languages, and also I don't know whether during the recording the feedback, voice feedback came or not, but it is also speaking this whatever is written over here. This is actually getting in terms of voice, so I'm getting the voice feedback. But as I'm using some screen recording software, so I don't know whether it is audible in the recording or not, but it is actually generating an mp3 file for this, and then it is playing back that particular file. So you're asking in voice, and also the reply you're getting, that is also in the in terms of voice. So this way you can get it, and also you can ask in English, and then you can get in answer in Hindi or Marathi, or you can also use Hindi, English, other languages as well, and any other language like Spanish, Chinese. So this is now we are using for, as per this application of this project is concerned, so we are using this for learning the language like English language or the grammar of English language. But it can be tuned to use it for learning physics, chemistry, mathematics, or any other subject as well. And after this you can actually give feedback to this. So if I give some feedback, and let's say if I give some comment as well, so this will be recorded as a feedback. And if you want to see your feedback, then you can see the feedback provided by this user at this date. And if you want to see the progress of all the users, now the progress is calculated based on the number of questions you are asking. So that is 22% progress for this user. So this is calculated in terms of how many questions the user is asking, and based on that the progress is defined. So that way this is how it works, and at the end you can log out from the system. So that's the complete implementation of this project. In case you need any code or any support for this particular project, then you can check the description box under this video. Thank you.